Designers and brands, please hear me when I say this. Do not skip out on the snap closures on these bodysuits. There is nothing worse than having to literally take off all your clothes to go to the bathroom. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, guys, we are going to be doing a ZARA spring haul. So ZARA has been killing it lately with the fashion, and I want to share with you guys a few items that I picked up that have been trending, that are new in and are probably worth the money. So we're gonna do a try on. I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion about these items. And lastly, if you have been struggling trying to find items that are quickly selling out on ZARA's website, I'm also going to share with you a little bit of tea on how you can get those same items without worrying about those sizes going out of stock. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video to get that tea from me. But if it's your first time coming across my face, welcome new friend. I am Tasha Jadé, the owner of The Styling Tea, a channel that's dedicated to all things luxury and affordable fashion, home decor, lifestyle, and travel videos. So if you do enjoy that type of content, make sure you hit that subscribe button right down there below. Also hit the notification bell so you are notified every single time a new video drops right here on the Styling Tea channel. And without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and get into these looks because they are really good. Okay, so the very first item that I purchased on ZARA's website is a new bodysuit. So I don't know how many of these bodysuits I actually have. I think ZARA does a really great job of making some really great, durable, and comfortable bodysuits, and I think that's why I'm honestly addicted to them. But this one I honestly love just for the simple fact that it has more of like a razor cut to it. So if you have more broader shoulders, this is a great one to accentuate your shoulders, but also it just makes you look a little bit more streamlined as well too. So this one comes in 3 different colors. It comes in this smoky gray, and then it also comes in a white, and then also in a black. The bodysuit itself was $25.90, and I will show a quick view of what this looks like on me. I love this bodysuit. I think this is so comfortable. It's so breathable. To be honest, the fabric is such great quality that I would honestly sleep in it. I'm not gonna lie, I actually would, because it's so great. So I know that Skims has their own version of like some of these type of bodysuits. I think this is like a really great dupe from a Skims one, because Skims I think are actually running for about $50. So this is half the price. They don't obviously have the large variety of colors like Skims does, but I mean, if you're looking for a great turtleneck style bodysuit without spending $50, then this is a great one to get. Okay, so the next item that I purchased directly from ZARA are some cargo pants. Now, if you've been living under a rock, let me tell you about what's happening in terms of trends right now. Cargo pants have been flooding the internet all over the place. They've been flooding the fashion scene like crazy, and you're seeing them every single place in terms of trending items. And so for me personally, it just kind of brings me back to early 2000s because I used to wear this stuff all the time. So I kind of feel like I'm just, you know, giving an ode back to my younger years. So I did end up getting a pair of cargo pants from ZARA. What I love about these ones is that ZARA is actually making a play off of the Attico cargo pants, and so they have different versions that are very similar. This right here feels like a version of the Attico style of the cargo pants that they actually have. What I like with these ones is that you can dress these ones up or you can wear them casual. But what's great also about them is that it comes with this drawstring leg at the very bottom, so you can tighten this if you want to make this more fitted around your ankle, or you can leave it open and just have it for a more looser and comfortable feel. So the other thing I like is the fact that they're very comfortable, and they're more size inclusive. So these ones that I purchased are a size large, but they go all the way up to, I think it's extra large. Yeah, so it goes from extra small all the way to extra, extra large. And so these are more wide leg. These ones retail directly on Zara's website for $89. They are sold out on Zara, unfortunately, but I'm going to share with you guys where you can find them for the same price or basically in stock. So stick around to the end of the video and I'll share that to you with you. Okay, so like I said, I am really digging the cargo trend right now. And so because of it, I went ahead and bought another pair of cargo pants. Now these are definitely trending right now all over social media, so much that they have sold out again. But I did end up getting these pants from Zara and I'll show you guys what they actually look like. These sold out super fast. And I think they probably were on Zara's website for maybe about like 3 days and then they were all gone. So I had to do a lot of hunting and stalking to see if I could get these. They did come back for a little bit, but one thing I will say is make sure that you are putting in your email information in terms of adding yourself to the notification list, because Zara will send you emails to let you know when things are back in stock and then you can go and buy that yourself. So these pants here are called the multi-pocket cargo pants. And while I did say that the last ones are kind of an Attico inspired look, these pretty much are like a direct dupe of the Attico denim jeans. So the Attico denim jeans, and I'll show you a picture of what they look like right here. These pants right here, they retail for about $1,200. So if you're not looking to spend $1,200 on a pair of denim jeans, I highly, highly, highly recommend these ones. First of all, they're very comfortable. I love, 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 love the pocket detailing on this. I think it is so fantastic. I also love how they've added in the last bit of detailing at the bottom. So it looks like there's an extra pocket towards the bottom of the leg, but it's just like the ruching of it. And I love the length. I mean, for me, being 5'3", they're perfect. I can wear them with heels or I can wear them, you know, just with flats and I'm still good. But even if you're taller, you could slouch the pants down a little bit and you'll still have a little bit more of that length as well too. So that's great. So these pants here also retailed for $89 on Zara's website. Right now they are still currently sold out, but like I said, I will share with you where you can find them. And also make sure that you check the description box so you can click on the links directly to where you can buy these items and save yourself some time in terms of searching for them. Okay, so the very next item that I actually purchased, initially I did not think that this was a designer inspired look, but once I put it on, I realized it actually is. So this is a 2-piece set, but the first item that I purchased is this corset top, which is an all cotton fabric. So this one I actually really like because it's very comfortable and it's very breathable. However, one thing I do not like about this particular one is that it doesn't fit. So one thing I will say is kind of a negative with Zara is the fact that the sizes fluctuate so much. And so a lot of times you may find yourself having to size up in terms of finding the right fit for you. Basically because Zara doesn't really stay with the same size for all of their clothing. Like it just changes from one style to the next. And so I did end up getting this top in a medium, which is normally my size, but unfortunately I literally could not zip this up. Like the fabric would just not meet each other. It was very difficult. So I do have to size up and get this in a large. This top itself actually goes from an extra small all the way to extra, extra large. So one thing I've realized when it comes to Zara sizing is that if these sizes go larger, like if they get into the extra, extra large size, then it means you need to size up. If it's just from extra small to extra large or large, then you basically can stay within your size. So that's a quick tip for you guys, having gone through that myself. So the top, I actually like it. I'll go back and get this in a larger size, but this top was available, and I think it is still available on Zara's website, but it retailed for $49. And then it also comes with a matching skirt. So the skirt I am obsessed with. I love this skirt. It fits perfectly. It's so comfortable. Don't mind the wrinkliness of it because I literally just pulled it out the box and just had it ready to share with you guys. So this skirt is great because I love the ruching detailing on the bottom. But the other part that I also love is this high back slit. So this is really great. So it has a little bit of sexiness to it. It's form-fitting. It's very breathable. Like I can wear this during the spring and summertime and not feel like I'm you know, super restricted in it. But the other thing that I like about it is the length. So for me being 5'3", when it comes to finding a skirt that's like a midi, sometimes it can be a little too long and then it just basically is like a maxi on me. I love where this actually falls on my body. It looks perfect and it's nicely proportioned for me. I just wish that the top actually fit. So once I pull this together, the look will look really great. But what I meant in terms of it being a designer inspired is that it just gave me Rick Owens vibes when you add the top and the skirt together. But one thing I will say, like ZARA is really great for is having clothing trends that are designer inspired for a lot less. So if you are interested in a designer look and you don't obviously want to spend designer prices, ZARA is great for basically allowing you to be able to try on those trends without spending a large amount of money. Okay. And then this next item that I purchased is perfect for spring because I was looking for a really great casual spring coat that I could wear, and I came across this one from ZARA. So you'll see what it looks like in the cutaway, but what I love about this particular jacket is the drawstring in the back. So this is what drew me in because I like how you can easily style this with the coat open. I already have a whole look in mind for how I'm going to style this, and so I'm waiting for the skirt to come in and then I'll pull the whole look together, because the look that I was actually trying to go for is the reason why I truly bought the coat. But I also wanted something that I could wear, like if I'm going to the gym and I just want to throw something on just really quick and, you know, still feel like I'm pulled together without feeling like I'm just throwing on any just random clothes. But this one is great because it has like this nice hoodie that you can add on top of it. And then also it does have the zipper that goes from the top to the bottom, and then also the snap closures. The fabric is phenomenal. Like this feels very high quality in terms of the coat itself. Like I feel like this coat actually feels like it's worth about $200, which is not that far off from the actual price point. The coat itself retails for $129 and it is still available on ZARA's website, but I highly recommend this one. It's so comfortable and it's something that like is perfect, especially in time for the rainy season that we're currently in right now. So everything will be linked in the description box below so you guys can go and shop all of these items. Okay, so let me go ahead and share with you my secret tea in terms of how to find out of stock items for ZARA. I have shared this with you guys before, but I'm going to share it with you again, and I'm going to keep sharing it with you guys until you start doing it. So anytime that you are looking for something on ZARA's website and you cannot find it, immediately, and I mean immediately, go to eBay to find that exact same item. If you type in the exact name from ZARA onto eBay, you will find those items there on eBay, because a lot of eBay sellers are actually buying these ZARA items and then they're turning around and selling them. So that has been my #1 tip in terms of how to find those out of stock items a lot faster, because ZARA keep selling out these items so quickly that sometimes you don't even have time to even add it to your cart. So the other great thing is that there's also different price points. So you're not just stuck to always overpaying. A lot of times you can find sellers who sell those exact same items for the exact same price of what they're being sold in store. The only difference is the shipping. All right, friends, so that is it for today's video. If you've made it to the end, thank you, friend. Make sure that you hit that like button down there below. And if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button so you are part of the community. And guys, thank you so much for tuning in for another video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.